Welcome to emaxindia. Today we will discuss how you can maintain student complete attendance record via your admin panel. As you know, at the time of government job vacancies verification, student attendance record required. Suppose if you are opening your institute now and you are providing training student here, and after 5 years when student apply for government job, how you can provide them their attendance record. So for this, Emax will give you an option through that you can easily provide their attendance report at any time. You also can verify this attendance report through Emax India website. So for this, firstly you have to open Emax India website and click on Center Login button. When you click on Center Login button, you will receive a page of dashboard here. In dashboard, there is an option of attendance. When you click on attendance option here, you will receive total student list here. You want to add student now, you have to click on add batches option. When you click on add batches, you have to create your own batch name now. Suppose we are opening our batch now in evening 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then click on add batch option. Then click on OK. Your batch now added. Then click on batches option here. The whole batches you selected, you can see here. Now you want to add your student in your batch. You also can maintain here according to your 2500 the batches you selected. As you can see, we mention our batch name evening 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. There are 0 students are available now. So you want to add your students in your batch. For this, you have to click on manage student option and select your student. You can increase the student list from here. And as you can see, some student details name, there is mentioned some batches. So you can select the student which already mentioned in our batches. If you select that student, the last attendance automatically will be removed. So you have to select the student which already not added in any batch. Just like this student, you can add and yes, add it. You have to click, then student will be add in your batch now. Also, you can search here student name, just like or their roll number and click on add. Then student will be add here. After that, go on attendance option. Now you can mark their attendance. For this, you have to click on mark attendance. Select your batch name here. Our batch is evening 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Select this one. Attendance date. In which date you want to mark their attendance. Just like we are selecting 28th of July. Then students are present. Click on present. Then submit attendance. The student attendance will be submitted now. Click on OK. Then select the second date, 29th of July. On that day, students was absent. Then click on absent button. Then add. Attendance will be added. Suppose in 30th, there will be a holiday of institute. Then you have to click on holiday button and click on add. The attendance will be submitted. Just like that, in 31st, students are present. Click on add. Then student attendance will be submitted. Also, you can check their details through student report. You can select student, search. As you can see, there is an option of chart and report. When you click on chart button, you will receive the details of student chart, the absent chart and present chart. And also you can check the report. When you click on report button, you will receive the details when students are absent and present through the PDF. As you can see, there will be a holiday and students are absent on this. Just like that, this will be the March month. The same will be followed for the next month and next month in the same file. And as you can see, there is a scan code available here. Through this scan code, you can verify the complete details also. The same file you can verify through emaxindia website also. Let me show how you can do this. For this, you have to open emaxindia website. There will be an option of attendance verification. You have to click on attendance verification option. You have to mention student roll number and date of birth there and click on search button. You will receive student admit attendance report, same on website also. So today we learned how you can maintain student attendance record through admin panel and how you can verify their details through Emacs India website. Just like that, if you have any feedback or update regarding your panel, please share them with us. Your feedback helps Emacs India get better. Thank you.